Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable debt payoff plans with Undebt.it step by step clearly. To enable debt payoff plans with Undebt.it, start by visiting the Undebt.it website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details and confirm your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Add Debt option to enter your current debts. Provide details such as the creditor name, total balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. After entering your debts, click Save to store this information. Go back to the dashboard and find the Payoff Plans section. Select the option to create a new payoff plan. Choose the strategy that you wish to follow, such as Snowball or Avalanche. Customize your plan based on your preferences and financial goals. Once satisfied with your selections, click the Create Plan button to save your changes. You can now view your payoff plan on the dashboard. Review your progress regularly to stay on track with your repayments. Adjust your plan as needed based on changes in your financial situation. Active tracking will help you stay motivated and informed on your journey to becoming debt-free. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.